Dreaming of a road trip without the sting of constant toll booth fees? Let's unlock a Google Maps secret that saves you money and maybe even introduces you to some beautiful backroads. First, fire up the Google Maps app on your phone. It works the same on both Android and iOS devices. Next, look at the top right corner of your screen and tap on your profile icon. This will open up a menu with a bunch of different options. Scroll down the menu until you see Settings and tap on it. We're diving into the nitty-gritty here. Now, within the Settings menu, find and select Navigation. This is where the magic happens to tailor your route preferences. Scroll down in the navigation settings until you see Avoid Tolls. See that toggle? Switch it on. This tells Google Maps to prioritize routes that don't involve toll roads. Now, when you search for directions, Google Maps will automatically suggest alternative routes that bypass toll roads. You might add a few minutes to your trip, but think of the savings and the potential for a more scenic drive. Remember, avoiding tolls might lead you to discover hidden gems and charming small towns you'd otherwise miss. Enjoy your toll-free adventure.